Assalamu alaikum my all viewers. I hope you are all well and may Allah keep you well all. So today the recipe I am going to make is exciting and unique vegetable pulao in my style with Desi-Chinese touch. So let's make it. First of all, put oil in a pan and heat it well. As soon as the oil is hot, then add garlic paste and then keep frying well until the color of the garlic changes. As soon as the color of the garlic is golden brown, so then add onions to it and then fry it well. So fry the onions until they become soft but do not change its color. And then add 1 chicken cube in it and dissolve it well. As soon as the chicken cube dissolves, then add ginger and mix it well. And after that add fresh peas and saute well for about 2 to 3 minutes and fry the peas until they are 20% done. Then add whole green chilies and then add julienne sliced carrot and fry well. And then add whole spices like black peppercorns, black cardamoms, star anise, bay leaves, cinnamon sticks and cloves. And then mix it very well for about 2 minutes or until well fragrant. And then add chili flakes, red chili powder and then add salt and then mix it very well until all the spices are well combined. And then add sliced tomatoes and julienne sliced potatoes and mix it very well. And then add cumin seeds and capsicum to it and mix it well again. And fry it well for about 2 to 3 minutes or until all the ingredients are well combined. At this point, add water and stir it very well and then cover and cook until water starts boiling. As soon as the water starts boiling, and then add the soaked rice to it and then give it to a good mix and then cover and cook again for about 4 to 5 minutes or until the water dries up and rice are cooked little. When all water dries up or if little moisture remains, then stir again and then cover and cook until all the moisture dries up and rice are cooked properly. Then take it out in a plate and garnish it with fresh onion chives. So serve and enjoy. So guys, if you enjoy my recipe and enjoy my video, so please like and subscribe my channel. Allah Hafiz.